Welcome to this simple guided meditation for beginners. This recording is designed for anyone new to meditation and also for anyone who wants to return to the basics of their meditation practice. Meditation is a tool to help you get focused, present, and in touch with your thoughts and feelings. It is a powerful practice that helps you find peace and stillness in the midst of a hectic life. Let's begin by finding a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Rest your hands on your lap, by your sides, or anywhere it is comfortable for you. Make sure your spine is straight, and when you feel ready, gently close down your eyes. Tune into your body, noticing how it feels. Notice any places of tension or tightness in your body and give those areas permission to relax. Let a wave of relaxation flow over you by taking a deep breath in through your nose and slowly letting it out through your mouth. One more time. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Feel the air fill up your chest and belly. And as you slowly exhale out through your mouth, feel your chest and belly contract back in. One last time. A deep inhale and a slow exhale. Savor the heaviness in your limbs as they relax. Now, let your breath fall back to its natural rhythm, inhaling through your nose and also exhaling through your nose. There is no force in your breath. You are just observing your natural flowing state. Notice all the areas your breath touches as you inhale and exhale. Your upper lips, your nostrils, the back of your throat. Notice how your lungs expand as you inhale and contract back as you exhale. Notice how the temperature of the air is cooler when you inhale and warmer when you exhale. If your mind starts to wander, it's perfectly okay. This is part of the process. Acknowledge that your thoughts are drifting and gently bring your attention back to your breath. There is a common misconception that meditation means to be in the present moment by having no thoughts in your head at all. While it is true that being in the present moment is the goal of meditation, it doesn't mean you're doing it wrong if you are having thoughts. Meditation is a practice of bringing yourself into the present moment. And like any other practice, the more often you do it, the easier and more enjoyable it becomes. So it's okay if your mind starts to drift now and then. Every time you start noticing thoughts enter your mind, you just have to practice bringing your awareness back to the present moment, using your breath as an anchor without judging or getting attached to the thought. The more you practice this, the easier it becomes to quiet your mind. Spend the next few minutes just trying to return your awareness to your breathing. You're doing great. As you continue to practice bringing your attention back to your breath, you are letting yourself into the present moment. Through the practice of meditation, we allow ourselves to let go of fear, doubt, and worry about the past and future, and give ourselves permission to just be. As you continue to stay focused on your breath, you may notice your body feeling lighter, your breath feeling softer and more relaxed, and a sense of peace washing over you. Continue to bring yourself back to the present moment every time a thought enters your mind. As this meditation comes to a close, let's take a few more deep breaths together. Inhale deeply, feeling your lungs expand, and slowly exhale, feeling everything inside you contract. One more time. A deep inhale and a slow exhale. One last time. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Now gently start wiggling your toes and fingers and slowly bring back your awareness back to where you are. Thank yourself for gifting yourself these amazing few minutes of meditation. And when you're ready, you can gently open your eyes and enjoy the rest of the day. Come back to this meditation every morning after you wake up, and every night before you go to bed, or any time you feel the need to take a break from the hustle of everyday life. This is Pranita Raj from Altered States, and we wish you a great day.